Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're gonna do on this episode is get into 5 reasons why Meld explodes. So Meld is extremely undervalued right now, in my opinion. You guys can comment down below if you agree, yes or no. Smash the like button, subscribe, and guys, we have hit over $2 million in market cap with RawDog. So not financial advice on that or anything that I say. Invest at your own risk. I'm just sharing with you some things that I'm doing and projects that I am taking a look at. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Meld, the next 100x. I've talked about this countless times, and Meld is pulling it off. So here are 5 reasons. So first, Meld is your non-custodial layer 1 blockchain. Supports the top 6 leading cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. We're going to talk about this some more, but ultimately, what you have is your crypto, fiat, and banking app all in one. So everything that you do in terms of lending and borrowing can be done with Meld. Meld is like a Barry Bonds if Barry Bonds had a baby with Babe Ruth. Like, we don't even know what could happen with that child. Like, we don't know how many home runs would be hit. So Meld has a lot of potential, but what Meld is building is basically this right here. And it's already looking good. There's testnet for the lending and borrowing, which we will talk about. But what's important here is that you have a non-custodial wallet, meaning you own your seed phrase. So when you're using something like this, typically it will be like a Coinbase or crypto.com. And the issue with that, with a centralized exchange, right, a SEX, is that when you guys create an account, I've got tutorials on this. You're going to see this screen. From there, you're just going to log in. So I'm going to put in my password. And what's cool about this wallet is that you will be able to import your seed with the mobile app. And you can hold all your crypto with the non-custodial wallet. You can even connect via MetaMask and Wallet Connect, like Nami and stuff like that. So here we go. Yes, I do have 500,000 RawDog, so the moose is loose, baby. The moose is loose. I don't even have any Meld left. So that's up with that. And guys, this is what the wallet looks like. There's staking. Soon you will see lending and borrowing. And guys, this is going to be awesome. So at the end of the day, Meld gives you the ability to own your seed phrase. And that's the very beginning and the foundation to everything that we're going to see. Because if you're going to have true banking in the best sense possible, you're going to want to have a non-custodial wallet. So I think it's underrated, all of that. So number 2, supporting BTC, Ethereum, ADA, AVAX. So Meld is supporting the top 6 leading blockchains. Ethereum on Meld, BTC on Meld, etc. So that's a big play here with Meld that built for all chains. The Meld token will be available natively, Cardano, where we start. Ethereum, Avalanche, Polygon, dude, Moose is dropping stuff. Polygon, BSC in the native token on the Meld blockchain. So it's going to be interoperable. It already is. So look at this: Bitcoin, Meld, Ethereum, USDC, Moose token, whatever there is in the future. So it's really cool. They're just knocking things out left and right. So it's Mike Tyson in the first round. That's all you need, right? No need for a second round. So you also have the Azomi Dex. So that is something we're going to talk about. Azomi is a place where you can pick up other Meld tokens as well. Ton of meme tokens right now. RawDog is the winner in my opinion. So if you guys head over here, so let's see, this is Azomi Dex. So here you can connect your wallet and you can begin to trade for different assets. So wallet's still loading right now. I have a lot of tabs open, but you can pick up Mepe, Dog, BTC, Brett. So there is now a Dex, and the Dex is good because it uses Meld. Meld is impressive. Meld is very impressive. And if you got a bridge Meld, go to Azomi, bridge Meld. Like, it's not that hard. I believe this is the Akamon bridge for that. So tons of potential there. So much happening. The fact that you've got the supporting there and you have the Azomi Dex, I think it's very powerful. Okay. So let's get into the next one. The next one is going to be lending and borrowing. So with Meld, you will be able to do your lending and borrowing. It is not active yet, but on the screen here, you can see it. And it's also available in testnet. The best part about the lending and borrowing is that once your crypto appreciates in value, then what you can do is borrow against your assets. That also goes with RWAs, perhaps an NFT you pick up. You can then borrow against your assets. You can lend it out. And yeah, that's just the way a lot of rich people do it. So when the Moose becomes a Moose millionaire, then that's what he's going to do. No taxable event, etc. Guys, consult with somebody, not the Moose on that. So that's what we got going on there. Guys, Meld is so fast. It's so fast. I've done so many different little transactions, but it has impressed me how fast it is. Things are basically instant right now. And it's because, not a lot of people are on the chain right now, but also because of the way that they structured their gMELD. So I'll dive into that more in other videos, but I want you guys to test it out for yourself. And I think it's very powerful. So we talked about everything that we wanted to in this video. If you guys are interested, check out Meld. There's also a meme token that the Moose has been getting loose on. So we've got some RawDog pumps. I got 500,000 of these freaking tokens. I like the tokenomics. I've done videos on this. Guys, head over to the channel. If you're interested, you don't have to. Invest at your own risk. If you're not comfortable with it, then don't get any. I don't want you guys to be stressing about meme tokens all day. So leave that up to the Moose. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. Head over to the link tree. RawDog, actually I have to update that. RawDog has now hit 2.5 mil, drop down. So it's at like 2 mil market cap. Guys, pick up a hardware wallet. Use code Moose. Guys, the Tangem has been powerful in the Moose's repertoire. Go to Get Tangem. You can pick this up using code Moose for under $50. So that being said, the Moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.